Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I guess we're going to try to do something on Krusty here. I didn't have nothing planned this weekend. I don't know why, I just didn't have nothing planned, but I think we'll try to mess with this bezel here. It's got all kinds of dust on it now, but this is for the Holley dash, which I got in there. We'll hook that up one day. It probably won't be today though. It's really cold, and I'm gonna be doing good just to see if this thing fits in there. So gotta come back out in the sun because it's cold in the building. And I done ran out of propane. I can't wait for spring. Can't wait. Freaking hate the cold. But anyways, let's try to see how this fits in there. It didn't come with any instructions, so I'm not sure how this fits in there, but we'll figure it out. I want to put this dash back in there just to see how this thing is going to fit with the dash and all. Let me go ahead and take this out. I'll probably just take this bezel piece off, get the dash in here, and then see if this fits up and lines up with them screw holes. Alright guys, so I gotta get my light switch handle off here and this out, so I don't want to tear that up. So we'll probably take this cluster out, remove it. I guess we'll remove.
Just take them all out, put that up.
And if nobody's ever took one of these apart, there's a little button right here. You push to get your handle out. Of course, I gotta you unplug your wiring harness first so you don't turn your lights on, but then you pull it out and push that button. Then you can pull your handle out.
I wanted to kill that thing, dude.
What?
That damn light knob. I tore the light knobs up. I had to replace the whole thing because of that.
You didn't know the button was back here?
No. I want everybody to look at this.
You just rip them out.
Yeah, look. I grab it and jerk it.
Well, you gotta pull it out first till it's tight, yeah. Then you gotta work that button. That's how that's done.
You know how many dollars I wasted on switches because of this stupid thing?
Because you couldn't get the knob off?
No. And then when I did get it off, I broke all the guts and stuff, I guess. Because nothing worked anymore. That's crazy.
Yeah. Now my lights are on though. I didn't unplug the harness, so.
Do you push it to put it back?
I don't know. You might have to wiggle it or something.
Well, that is something else.
So now I gotta reach up in behind there and get the wires off so we don't leave the headlights on. And then we can take that out. That thing is filthy. Got dust and dog hair on it.
What was your plans with that?
I might try to see if a upholstery shop will recover it.
Here we go, y'all. Let's just pay attention to this. Look, I just took these bolts out, right? Around this thing. I want everybody to see this, because this is what's stupid when they do stuff. Here's the little things. Take them out. Check this out. Hey, what kind of sense does that make? You got the same piece right here, but now you gotta get a different tool because that's bigger. That don't make any kind of sense.
And watch that arm.
Look at this. Here we go.
There's a teeny tiny little flathead right there.
Now let me ask you right now. Have you always thought that this was metal?
Nah, I've had them apart before.
Okay, well I did. So this is...
Yeah. It's that plastic
This
China
is
stuff.
plastic, y'all. Look, check it out. But
This is an 80s model.
It's plastic.
That's probably special too. Don't break it. This is original equipment
We
here.
keep all this together.
Except for this old gauge.
Remember when the kids stole the dad's car? What was it, Ferrari or something? What was that movie?
I don't know.
Put all the
What you
valves
talking
on.
about? I don't know what the hell you talking about.
DJ Cowlick.
DJ Cowlick.
Cowlick?
Have to find me a box and put it in and throw it up on the shelf. I'll save it for another 50 years. When I'm old, I can retire off of it. I'll pull it out.
Clock $10,000 right here. We went to an 84. That's 10. That's 10.
What the hell did you just say?
I mean.
Oh, man. Dang.
Oh, shit. That was...
He's giving it the bad juju.
Alright, y'all. There y'all go. I'll give y'all a perfect setup. Right here. Fuel gauge, everything. Look at that. Hey, just bid on it. You never know. I mean,
You try to sell my stuff.
You can even add an oil gauge. Like if it's in there, it's aftermarket. But there it is. Look, park in reverse.
Well, you a salesman now? You throw a sales pitch?
Yeah.
We working on the truck, bro. Come on.
What's this green one for?
What green?
Green lens right here.
Oh, the turn signals. There's supposed to be two of them. Where'd the other one? It's gonna fail somewhere.
Nah, I didn't do anything. Everything's right there. Everything's right there. Oh, look at that.
I didn't do anything.
I did.
You didn't stepped on it.
Everything's right there. I don't know why they want to be so stubborn. Don't make any sense.
Maybe you gotta hit it with your purse.
Hit it with a purse?
Come on, man. Put some ass out.
Man, put some ass in.
Yeah, put some ass out.
Put some ass in it, man. I don't like that. I hear that a lot. Well, here, you put some ass in.
All right,
Because
we'll
right
try.
now, they whooping mine. It's whooping mine.
Let me try.
I gotta see what you're doing, man. Look at this guy. Maybe I should start holding the camera. It took a long time for me to take all this apart. You just come in and swooped it like that, huh?
I mean, it should clear all that. For now.
Nah. This ain't clearing nothing. That piece you got is at least that way.
Oh, yeah, I know.
But you don't want to go ahead and just chop it up and get it to where we, even if we don't put it in, go ahead and have it ready.
Yeah,
Why ain't we putting it in? Let's just put it in. You don't want to?
I don't know if I'm going to have time. I mean, we can...
Would you just stick it in there?
Yeah. I mean, we can get that far with it. That's fine. The main thing is I wanted to figure out how this thing even sits in there.
You're gonna have to cut it.
Yeah, that don't even look like it.
Yeah, they're made in China.
China, 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 China!
I'm just test fitting right now. Then we'll figure that out. So I want to get this in here tight to where it needs to sit. Get the dash in here and see if we can get this bolted up to where it'll look, just to see how this thing works basically. And then we can, once we get it all in here and tight, we can mark what we need to cut right here. You know what I'm saying?
I think so.
I still got heat in my street truck.
Yeah, you're making a cruiser. We ain't making a cruiser.
Got 2 holes.
This ain't a cruiser.
You ever put one of these in?
No, I usually end up tearing it all up. It goes in the backyard and I never mess with it again. Never put one in, but we about to see how this works here.
I put them in. It's pretty easy.
What, got bolts right here?
No, those are clips.
They just clip in.
Yeah. See the little.
Well, what
notches
about
in the
this
dash?
one? Oh shit.
Oh, that one's broken.
Y'all didn't see that.
See these notches right here?
Yeah.
That's where them clips go. This part. You get that all set in there, and then it just pushes. You just push it. Bloop.
Sorry, y'all. I don't mean to bounce around.
You gotta get the thing. This out there on the hood.
What thing?
This bolt.
Can you see me? I can't see nothing. Can y'all see out there? Cause all right, so then what? Did it just slide back into them?
We might have to take the damn trim off. I forgot about that. Your side's already half broke. Shit. I gotta take mine off.
Yeah. All right.
The battery died, so we kept on working and got it in here, but this is what it looks like. And we went and found some screws that would fit in there because the other ones was too long. And then we seen that it actually came with screws. We actually took this off of the back of that thing. So we seen them. I don't know what we was doing. There's Kramer. Dustin. I'm out there, Jerry.
I'm out there, Jerry, and I'm low on every minute.
I know what's wrong with it. I ain't got no gas.
All right, so now we take it back apart. You know, we're gonna cut this stuff out of the way. You got it?
I do.
You gone done did it.
Don't do it. Hey, you was hungry, don't do it.
What the hell is even that?
I gone down did it, eh? Gone down did it. It's the backyard stuff, y'all. We just ain't got the tools yet. Hey, we sell them gauges. We might be able to get us a little cut-off wheel.
Dang, again. You hit in the wrong hole. Hate when that happens.
That's what she said.
Here's the dash. We got it kind of screwed in there. And the screws that come with the kit are way too short. So that was just a waste. I'm kind of disappointed because this thing was like $300 for this bezel. And I had to do a whole lot of trimming, especially around this heater controls. I had to cut all that. And I had to waller the holes out to get the screws to line up. You can kind of see that one. And I had to grind this. This was sticking way up. So I mean, it looks decent. But I really didn't think I'd have to put that much work into it, but it is what it is. We got it in there. Looks pretty good. I guess next time we'll get this wired up. We didn't do any of the wiring. We just making sure this thing fits in here good. Yeah, it looks pretty good, I think.
I need some drag tires.
Yeah, you do.
You just give me some good looking tires that'll fit this truck. I'll trade you these 20s right here.
Yeah. He needs something to keep up with Trusty.
Yep.
Yeah. Didn't get nothing. Didn't get nothing out of. I guess next weekend we'll wire in that dash. We got plenty of wire supply, yeah.
Yeah. That Wi-Fi stuff, we gotta hook all that up. We're gonna try to hook it up where it works. When I cut my switch on, this truck will still work.
Oh, it still works. You'll know because you'll see me in front of it. You'll know it's working.
That's what he say.
Alright, guys. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.